1, 2, 3. Ito ko. Tadi. Okay, the air cannon has finished. So most of the material is PVC and wood, and this is how it looked like. So I would like to tell you a little bit about my air cannon. Before, the magazine was really long or longer than this, and then I cut because this is work not like what I expect. And on the video I show you, there was a part that broke, and then after that I have changed with water pulp, and it worked better, but still not what I expect. So it should work like a paintball gun that you can shoot many times automatically. You put the balls, you put the bullets, and then you shoot many times, chum, chum, chum. But it's not, but it's still fun. So this is how you put the ball. You open the magazine like this, and this is the ball. So I got the ball from Roll On. So it's really simple and light, and it doesn't make any damage. That's a good thing, because my previous content made a lot of damage. Okay, because that is like a steel bullet. It's really dangerous if you shoot at home or go up something like that, because it could break someone roof. And this is much better and more fun. With the big noises, it's like a war gun. So let's do shooting test. So for your information, I put target over there, spray can, and milk can. How bad the light ball can make a damage. Let's try. One, two, three. Yeah, it doesn't make any damage. I mean, like it didn't make any damage because the ball is really light and the hole of the air gun is really big. But after this, I would like to do small experiments. I would like to combine my PVC air cannon with my blowgun, and that will be more fun and deadly. But for information, I've never used my invention or my gun to killing animal, hurting people. It's pure for my YouTube content. So on the next video, that will be what we will make if we combine the blowgun with PVC air cannon, and how bad the damage will be. So please make sure to stay tuned on my next video, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.